Do you need to replace the Ethernet audio board on your G15 5530? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. Next, unscrew and remove the battery. Next, unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi antenna bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables and slide out the Wi-Fi card. Now unscrew and remove the solid-state drive heat shield, and then slide out the solid-state drives. Next, unscrew and slide off the rear input-output cover. Next, unclip the locking tabs and disconnect the LCD cables. Next, disconnect the DC jack. Then unscrew and remove the DC jack. If you have a single color keyboard, unclip the locking tab and disconnect the backlight cable. And if you have a 4-zone keyboard, you will unclip the locking tab and disconnect the MCU cable. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the keyboard cable. Now unclip the locking tab to disconnect the touchpad cable. Next, unclip the locking tab and disconnect the USB board cable. Next, unscrew and remove the Type-C bracket. Next, disconnect the speaker cable. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. Now unscrew and remove the Ethernet audio board. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.